Governor Moore signed an executive order on housing production entitled Housing Starts Here in an effort to increase housing affordability and production. It's Friday, September 19th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. As I reported in the September 5th video, Maryland lacks 590,186 homes. The executive order will help identify state-owned properties that can be used for housing, streamline the permitting process for construction, create a state housing ombudsman to help developers navigate the state permit requirements, establish local housing production targets for counties, and develop preferential policies for localities working to meet housing goals. Rather than prescribing a top-down developer-centric mandate like requiring X units of affordable housing in every development, the state is using its powers to streamline, coordinate, and incentivize the conditions under which housing can be more affordable and plentiful. This order focuses on supply, land, permitting incentives, and accountability. It does not create state down payment programs, mortgage programs, or large direct subsidies for first-time buyers that could assist with affordable homeownership. What this order also lacks is zoning reforms, rent controls, new subsidies for low-income renters, beyond prioritizing affordable housing and transit-oriented development and funding programs, or detail explicit controls on developer behavior aside from speeding and incentivizing their participation. Cutting through the red tape would lead to shorter timelines, holding costs, financing costs, and risk premiums, all of which inflate housing prices. However, developers would simply take any gains there as an added profit to them instead of passing on the savings in the price point cost of the new housing. Therefore, I see this executive order as paving the way for more housing production, but I don't see that housing will be more affordable. Past experience and developer behavior indicate more profit-driven actions combined with higher labor and cost of goods, all creating a higher entry point of these new builds. As it stands now, big production builders, what shall not be named here, are building quickly at lower quality standards to the detriment of those purchasing. And that's an entire topic for another day. Meanwhile, new inventory to the market, this report fell to 2,754 units at a median $439,950 list price. Coming soon properties fell again this week to 1,250 units. 1,822 units went under contract this report in 22 days at a median $421,000 list price. 1,358 units sold in 20 days at 98.9% list to sold ratio at a $424,995 median sold price. Rental properties available rose again this week to 3,474 units and are priced at a median $2,650 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 19th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.